I want to show you how to insert a Microsoft Word document watermark. You may have a confidential document that you want to ensure is not shared by anyone. You can add a very secret watermark to protect it.
First we will show you how to insert a pre-made watermark. Then we will find out how you can set it up. Here I am in Microsoft Word and I have secret test document file. I am going to add a watermark to this file. To insert a watermark, on the top ribbon, click on the design option. You will see an option for watermark on the right side in the design. Look, it's really easy to insert a watermark. Above all, we have all the preset categories. There is also a set of secret watermarks, disclaimers and emergencies. I choose to include a secret watermark that is said to be confidential in my document. I will also go to the top to enter and you will see that I will add another page to my list and take the watermark to the second page here. Now I have the option to go back to the top and click the watermark again and customize the watermark below. We click on it. Now opens a dialog where I can customize my watermark. I will go to the button because I want to start with a text-based watermark. Here I can choose a language. Here I see a drop and I can look at the various present watermarks options, but I can test to customize the watermark. Here I type some text. It makes better sense. Below I can edit the font, the processing capability I can give. Currently it is set up automatically and ensures the best fit for those people. I also have the ability to adjust the color of my watermark. I have to go here and we can see what the different color options are and have the ability to warm the seam adjacent to the knot. This will lower the watermark a little more. So maybe your watermark is dark and it blocks your text. Well, you have the ability to make it semi-transparent. At the very bottom, I also have the ability to choose the layout. I want to move the text behind my screen or across the screen through my document. Examine the text carefully, but let me get the watermark in the picture because I think it could be something more serious than me. Here I select the image watermark and then select a file on my computer. From here I can set up the text to click on the list, but it's set up automatically, which ensures its best fit. To its right is a wash error checkbox, which is similar to the drop-down transparent option. When I click on this memory, it removes the image from further reduction and you can better understand the image when I mark it. To remove the watermark at the top of this dialog, I simply click no watermark. Back on the option screen, I can redo the design. Remove the watermark. To go to the watermark, at the bottom of this list, there is an option to remove the watermark.
If you enjoyed this tutorial video and you want more, please subscribe to our channel and see you next time.